Welcome back everybody to the association. In today's video, I thought we would do a quick walkthrough of our honeymoon suite for two reasons. Reason number one, we forgot to do it after we did the render video. And number two, this is a little bit of a rescue build, and we'll show you a quick video here in a moment what we're talking about. So way back, yours truly was building a vacation home, and we were looking for a wine fridge for our dining area, and thought we could find one here. I thought we had built one on this save, but we didn't. We couldn't find one, but we found this room in dire straits. So without further ado, let's run the video and we'll show you what we're talking about. Into one of the bedrooms. This is not the master bedroom, but it's a guest bedroom. Gargantuan bedroom. I guess back in the day, and still to this day, to a degree, we have a habit of overscaling. And yeah, it's a thing, and so we'll have to make this maybe a little bit smaller, but I still like it, and I think it's doable. I wouldn't call this trash, okay? There's an ensuite, which is just as gargantuan, so we'll probably have to make it smaller. Again, I do think it's doable. I think we can work on this. There's a walk-in closet around back, behind the bed, and that was just a pedestal for the bed. We hadn't got to, putting the bed in, so there's that. This bathroom is huge. I love the lights at the top of the columns. The walk-in shower is grand, and I'm going to leave it that size. Now we really have to work on that, of course. Get new walls in here, stuff like that. Your fireplace is trash, I will say that. We can go to Archive 3D or perhaps Sweet Home, or maybe we can make a better one than that. That was made. That was handmade, and it's trash. Okay, I do like the lights, and I can't wait to see what that looks like. So there you have it. So that is the room that we needed to, rescue build, if you will. And this turned out super nice, at least in our opinion. You folks can let us know what you think down in the comments below. But we'll take a quick walk through this. This is not going to be a long video. But we did talk about the walk-in closets, and that's been reduced to just a small little walk-in, like a his/hers. Because this is a hotel suite, we thought we would add a kitchenette that significantly took up a good portion of that walk-in closet. But again, we didn't need it because it's now a hotel suite, not a guest suite in a house. So kitchenette looks pretty nice, pretty snazzy, if we do say so ourselves. We got some buildings across the street to kind of liven up the place. And what else we have? We got our 50-inch TV up on the mantle. The mantle we moved from the bathroom to out here. And yeah, the inside is not very detailed, but the outside, it's pretty cool. So we're not going to complain. All right, let's move into the bathroom. Let's check out the water closet. Pretty neat, As far as the water closet goes, we did miss the detail. We didn't put water in the commode, and we are probably going to do a tutorial on that. And sure, you might laugh, you might get a chuckle out of that, but it's a detail that we think is important. So you can watch the tutorial or you can pass up on it. The choice is yours. But here's our Roman tub. Now, that being said, I think we're going to use the other one and another, maybe in the Spanish project that we're working on now. If we make that bathroom large enough, we can implement it, because I do like the lights at the top of the column. So speaking of lights, we do have the matching pendant lights over the vanity and the Roman tub, and our recessed lights throughout. So those are actual recessed lights, not pucks. Let's move into the shower here. I believe there's a lot of custom work going on here. The niches are custom, the handles are custom, the lights up top here are custom made, so we did not get those from anywhere. We just made them using what we had here in Sweet Home 3D. So not a bad shout, if we do say so ourselves. That niche in the back, that does light up, so if you watch the video, we'll put it at the oh, that's just great. That's professional. We'll put that at the end of the video, so if you guys haven't seen it, you can check it out. The door there is pretty nice. It goes with the room pretty well, but we're not going to talk a lot about that. What we'll talk about for a little bit is the chandeliers. So if you don't know, and you probably do by now if you're using Sweet Home, chandeliers suck up a lot of memory, so just be mindful of that. And even though we're on a higher spec machine, we can still kind of feel, as we're walking around, those chandeliers and their presence taking up some of our memory and perhaps some of our processing as well. So just be mindful of that. On the same note, we have a shade here. Excuse me. We have a shade here that came from the chandelier. These are aftermarket, so we took the originals off and we put those on, and we made them like a glass texture, and they look really nice in rendering. But the other one up there, we just left as a joke. It's the same one, but it's a fabric. So plenty of seating out here in the honeymoon suite. We've got seating for 3 at the table. Again, it's a honeymoon suite, but hey, you know what? Guess what? It might be that type of weekend. I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole. We're going to end the video right here. So with that, folks, we do thank you for coming along and watching today. If you're new around here, consider subscribing, ringing the bell, and come on board. We'd love to have you. And with that, we'll see you soon. Once again, thank you so much. Signing off for now. Goodbye, everybody.